I'm Riny Stoutjesdijk, 59 years old and married with my Claudie and father of 2 sons. I love sports. I'm a big fan of oldtimer motorbikes and I have my own hobby craft beer brewery. 36 years ago I started working with Nemag. After 6 years in the technical planning office, I joined the sales team of Nemag. As of 2000, together with my team, I'm responsible for the marketing and sales activities of Nemag. Nemag is a great company with a big name in the ports worldwide. That is something of which I'm very proud of. Our daily job in the sales team is to look after the interest of our customers, together with them trying to do it a little bit better every day. For me, this means to be a partner in technical and commercial consultancy with our customers, but also supporting and coaching my younger team members. My working life at Nemag certainly has broadened my horizon and has resulted in a big network of relationships and friends in many different cultures. For me, that's what it's all about. Teamwork, people, earning trust, and most important, creating good memories.